Hi. In case of incorrect HSN is set for an item code, it is very easy to change it in simpliRP ERP. In the list of items, we can see the existing HSN codes. For changing it, go to Material Management, edit an item master. Go to, click here to bulk update of category and HSN to items. Enter few letters of the item to be changed. The items will appear. Just enter the new HSN and select the category. Please note, the HSN shown here are only an example and do not represent the correct one. Check with respective tax authorities for correct HSN codes. Click Update. That's it. It will change the HSN category of that item. Go to Item List and refresh the page. See how simple it is to change the category and HSN. simpliRP ERP is the easiest way for material management. Thank you.